Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I will have two unboxing, double unboxing. I'm very excited because these are two of the hard to get items that I could get from Louis Vuitton website. So let's get into it. One of these boxes gonna be the one that I've been waiting for, and one of the box is the color that I love so much. I'm gonna unbox it now, so let's see. Let's go with the smaller box first. This is how it shipped to me. Okay. You can see Louis Vuitton on the box here. Look at this box. This time they have blue ribbon. I've been ordering from Louis Vuitton website for the past few months, and they rarely wrap in the blue ribbons like this. So extra happiness. So it comes with the receipt, and of course there will be a return label in here. Okay, let's set this aside, and I'm gonna open this box right now. Ooh. Love it, love it. Blue ribbon. And I love Louis Vuitton boxes because they have a drawer that you can pull out like this. Small dust bag in here. Louis Vuitton. I'm sure that you can already guess what it is. Let's reveal. Look at this. Let me look at it close. It smells like new. Of course, it smells new because it smells stronger than other items. That's why I have to check it. This is 6 key holder in monogram canvas. It has fuchsia color button. Look at this. Oh wow. I have to show you, this thing is made in France. That caught my eyes right away. Look at the beautiful interior. Oh wow. Love it. It has fuchsia interior, and there is not the pocket but the slot which will fit the credit card or driver license. It has 6 key holder in here. This key holder made of one piece of monogram canvas, so you can see right here when you open all the way. It is so pretty. This is a close look of the 6 key holder in monogram with the fuchsia button and interior. You can open this by pushing the side and push. See, you can take this out and you just slide it back. Very beautiful. Let me show you what I already had. This thing right here. Look at this. This 6 key holder in Camellia bin. I got it not too long ago, but because I love the fuchsia so much that I want to get another one, and it's also in monogram, so it's perfect combination because I want to have one in monogram and also the color of the interior. Beautiful. I already have a video unboxing this one. If you want to check it out, I have the link above. Both of these are made in France. Yes, this one is made in France, and also this one. So extra happiness. I'm so happy. Both of these are very hard to get items. I could get these from the website. When I was on the website, I saw only this one available, and this is what I wanted. I know that this one, after using it for a while, you would have problem with the button right here. For me, I'm gonna take extra care, and I don't think I will use it as much as this one. And even if it's scratched or something, I may get it replaced later on with Louis Vuitton. For now, I love it. I love the color. I love the monogram. I love the color so much. Love it. Love it. Now let's go to the second box. So this one I've been waiting for a long time. So when I saw it became available, I have to get it right away. I couldn't believe my eye that I saw it become available because it is so hard to see it on the website. Of course, they have it on pre-loved market if you want to get it right away. But for me, you know, I want to get it from Louis Vuitton website. I love it. I want to get it, but I'm not really need to get it right away. It is okay if it would take me a while. You know, waiting, challenging. It just makes you feel even more excited when you can get it. So let's get into it. Okay, so here it is, another one from Louis Vuitton website, and here's how it's shipped to my house. Oh goodness, this is the second box that I can have it wrapped in the blue ribbon. How excited. Okay, it also comes with the receipt and return label. Oh goodness, how excited to open it. I love the look of it. As I mentioned before, I love it in this wrapping like a present. Of course, this is a present to myself, so I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Ooh, this is different. This is my first time seeing this in the dust bag with the blue string. Oh wow, how different. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is so tiny. It is so cute. Wow. Look on my hand. It just fit on my hand perfectly. Oh wow. Look at this. Okay, I can tell right away right here is that made in Spain. This is my second piece that made in Spain. This is toiletry pouch in size 15. It has extended zipper for easier access. It's made with one sheet of monogram coated canvas, so you can see the LV from the back is upside down. And let me open to see inside. It has the card here. Is that coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, and it has a coat. It has white paper interior take a close look of the toiletry pouch, size 15. It is made in Spain. One piece of canvas. It has the logo LV on the pull tab here. It has brass gold hardware. The zipper is very smooth and white pebble interior in beige color. This is a piece that I've been waiting for because I already have size 19 and 26. Look at this one. So now I have trifecta. Look at these three. Let me show you from the side. And this is from the front. I'm so happy that I could get these three in the past few months. The 26 is the first piece that I could get, and then after a while I could get the second piece in size 19, and so this one is in size 15. Is the last piece of the trifecta. Beautiful. Yes, so these are very functional and very classic. Also, they are very versatile. This one you can use as a clutch or crossbody bag with the insert. I already had the video unboxing this and also what would fit in here and what bag this pouch would fit in. So if you want to check it out, I have the link above. Also, this one in size 19, I also have the video unboxing and also show you what would fit inside and what bags this pouch would fit inside too. Now let me show you what would fit inside this pouch. These are the items that I would put in the pouch here because these have liquid in it. So if you use the pouch with white pebble interior, then you don't have to worry if it's spilled or if it melts, then the bag can be wiped clean. I have here Winter Candy Apple, which I love so much. I know it's from the winter, but I love this smell so much. So this is the lipstick. This is lip gloss. And this is a must-have hand sanitizer. This is eye drop. And this is a sample perfume. And if you can see in here, it fits about half of the bag. There's still plenty of room if you want to pack more lipstick or more things in here. And the zipper is very smooth. Wow, love it. I'm very happy with my purchase today. One is toiletry pouch size 19 and one is a 6-key holder in fuchsia color, interior and the button. I love these so much. It looks so classic and this is a much needed. I don't really need more than one, but because of the color, I decided to get another one. And because this one, I want to have a trifecta. That's why I want to get it. Even if it's not in use, it still looks good on the shelf or a vanity because of its shape. I think it's a timeless piece. Look at these. If you put these three on the vanity or the shelf, it will look amazing. And they are very practical, very versatile, especially this one. You can use it as a clutch or a shoulder bag. And this one also, you can use it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag as well. And this one, for this one, you can use it as a cosmetic pouch, or just put little things in there like a mini pochette. I think it's similar size of the mini pochette. It's gonna fit a lot. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye.